Happy Friday, everyone. I'm meteorologist Adrienne Vaughn, and as we head through the next couple of days, things staying very quiet, especially in the Atlantic Basin. Meanwhile, in the Pacific Basin, that's where things are continuing to stay active. But overall, things fairly quiet in the Atlantic Basin. Again, not looking at anything in the way of development there in the next 5 days. We do still have Tropical Storm Bonnie. It has been downgraded just a short time ago. This morning, it was still a hurricane. Now down with the winds at 65 miles per hour. That brings it back to a tropical storm. And as it moves through the next 24 hours, this will probably become a post-tropical system as we get in through the day tomorrow, and eventually just going to be dissipating as we get into early next week. Now, this could be bringing in some beneficial moisture. What's left of it could be bringing in some beneficial moisture to the Hawaiian Islands, islands like Oahu and Maui, dealing with drought conditions. So eventually some of what's left over from this could make its move into the Hawaiian Islands and bring in some beneficial moisture there. So something we'll be watching, but again, this one not to be a problem as it moves out to sea and continues that westward jog. We do have two other areas we're watching in the Pacific Basin. This one, an area of disturbed weather, has a 70% chance of development in the next 5 days, and another area of disturbed weather looks like it'll have more of a gradual time for development, just at 20% through the next 5 days. But again, both of these are working their way off to the west and not going to be an issue for any land areas as we move forward in time. Again, the Atlantic Basin, very quiet. We have the MJO moving into an unfavorable phase, so that's actually some good news. We're not seeing any development as we head through probably the next week, maybe even a little bit longer than that. And on top of that, with the MJO not in a great phase for development, we're also tracking quite a bit of Saharan dust. As we get through the next couple of days, you can see this massive plume moving into the Lesser Antilles as we get into Sunday, Monday, and then eventually into the Gulf of Mexico and the Caribbean as we get towards the middle to end of next week. So that also does help inhibit tropical development as we move forward in time as well. So not a whole lot in the Atlantic Basin. Some good news as we head through the beginning to middle part of July. Of course, you can always log on to our Fox 26 weather app to get the very latest, and you can check us out on social media as well. I'm on Twitter, Facebook, and on Instagram.